Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. The other day I helped somebody kind of design this using somebody's handwriting. And for the one I'm doing it for, I will make a video on how to did it. But today I sent him this file, and one, it is 24 inches big. He didn't realize how big it is. Just always look at that and measure it. But he's got double lines. Well, this is the exact file I sent. And if we take the line and move a node, there's no double lines. So let's give it double lines. I've changed your duplicate distance to 0, 0. I'm just going to click on this and hit the plus key. Now it's got double lines because I've doubled it. So all you have to do is just take the node you corrected and move it out of the way, and then take that line and delete it. And now all the double lines are gone from the whole drawing. Now, with that said, he runs into this problem a lot with files. He's a water jet cutter, and that's kind of, I've known about him, I've seen him work, but I've never really helped anybody design for it. If you will go to monstermacros.com, right here for Corel is called eCuts. I do not have it any longer. But it's got a bunch of macros. It's really, I mean, for $70, it does a lot. And you can actually search my video for Monster Macro or even eCut, and it'll show you. But it has a deal to remove duplicate lines. So if you had a file that had not all one piece and you had a lot of them, that eCuts will take those lines out. Now, I only have one line. And I'm pretty sure the one I sent you only had one line, because I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool and I have no outline, and I'm going to do a Smart Fill in black. So, okay, let's do this. Let's make this a double line. So I'm going to hit a plus. So now there are two lines, but they're right on top of each other. So I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in, and I'll move that Smart Fill out of the way. There are still two lines here, but there's only one here. Smart Fill creates a new object. So if we look at that, so if you ever have double lines on anything, and he also draws in a thicker line than I draw. Let's change that back to hairline. And let's take a node and move it out of the way. And there's only one line. So the Smart Fill tool, in the cases where it's on top of each other, and you can't see them, you can always Smart Fill. I shouldn't say always. I'm pretty sure it works 100% of the time. But that's what I did to your file. And then when you opened it up, it had double lines. So just take those into considerations. I'm a big fan of eCuts. I want to get it back someday, but I just haven't done it yet. I mean, it's a powerful, powerful macro. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.